How to prevent osteoarthritis? What is osteoarthritis? In a healthy knee joint, a slippery tissue called cartilage fills the spaces between the bones and cushions the bones as they move. The symptoms: osteoarthritis (OA) occurs when the cartilage wears away due to excessive use. The ends of the bones begin to rub against each other and often develop spurs and cysts. In addition, the tissue that lines the joint may become inflamed and the ligaments and muscles that support the joint weaken. Here's what you can do to prevent OA. Control your weight. You can greatly reduce your chances of developing knee OA by maintaining a normal weight or shedding at least some of any excess weight. Losing even a few pounds can make a big difference in the load you place on your knees. Recent studies have found that when overweight people with knee arthritis lost just 1 pound, it resulted in anywhere from a 2-fold to 4-fold reduction in the load placed on their knee joints. Regular exercise. Low impact exercise will not only help you to lose weight, it can help prevent knee OA and manage symptoms in other ways. Often people who have arthritis of the knee cut back on their physical activity to avoid pain. However, it's critical to keep the knee joint mobile and flexible and to strengthen the muscles around it. You can do that by combining aerobic exercise with strengthening and flexibility exercises. Aim for at least 30 minutes of low-impact aerobic exercise 5 days a week. Walking, biking, and golf are all good choices because they don't place stress on your knee joints. Exercising in water is also a great way to work out because the water supports your weight and gives your knees a break. Protect your joints. An injury to your knee can alter the alignment in the joint, and that can make the cartilage wear away. So take precautions to avoid injuries to your knees if possible, especially if you do a lot of sports. If you do injure your knee, get immediate treatment to reduce your risk of damaging the cartilage. Wearing a knee brace may help support your knee and reduce pain if you already have arthritis. Other treatments. Glucosamine and chondroitin are two natural substances that are found in cartilage. Researchers have been studying whether or not they help relieve arthritis pain when taken as a dietary supplement. Recent studies suggest that they don't help any more than a placebo, but some doctors suggest taking them for 3 months to see if there is any benefit. The best treatment of all is prevention, of course, and the best way to prevent osteoarthritis is to keep your weight down and get in the habit of regular exercise. If you do develop osteoarthritis, an early diagnosis can mean a better outcome, so see your doctor right away if you notice pain or swelling in your knee. For more interesting videos, subscribe to Speaking Tree YouTube channel.